Hi Stampers, welcome back. I'm Nancy Novak and today is day 4 of our Jolly Words tutorial series. And today we're going to unveil the simplicity and beauty of a card adorned with the Christmas lights from the Mary Bold and Bright Designer Series paper. That's also from the Designer Series paper. That's the little stripes there, really pretty. And we got a pretty little bow on here. So follow along for this easy yet enchanting tutorial. So I love when the Designer Series paper does most of the work for you, but this big, bold sentiment is just amazing on this card. And again, that's one of the stamps from the Jolly Words stamp set. So let's go ahead and stamp our sentiment, and I'm going to stamp that in Melon Mambo. And the colors that I use are always from the Designer Series paper. So this Designer Series paper has a lot of different colors in it. But this little stripe right down here, that little strip is Poppy Parade and Melon Mambo. So I'm going to use Melon Mambo to stamp that sentiment. I wanted to mention that I'm going to be slowing down with my weekday tutorials. I'm going to take a little bit of break. I got a lot of holiday things to do, of course, just like everyone. But make sure you click that notification bell because I will have some surprises popping up here and there. I do have some great Christmas projects to share with you, so I hope that you stay tuned for that, and I'm very excited to share those with you. I'm going to color in that Christmas bulb with a little bit of Granny Apple Green and a little bit of red. And since we have the ink out, I'm going to go ahead and stamp Merry Christmas right in the center of the inside. And we'll come back to the inside in a little bit. Let's go ahead and put the front together. So I have a layer of white, and I'm going to glue my Designer Series paper up at the top and at the bottom, and then we're going to add a ribbon. And there's a little tiny border of white showing. Okay, I'm going to bring my ribbon in, and this is really teeny tiny ribbon. It's 1/8 of an inch. I'm going to line this over right where the two Designer Series paper meet, and I'm going to tape it on the back and hold it in place. I'm going to go ahead and glue this to the front of our card. I'm going to glue these two pieces together. I'm going to pop that up with a couple of dimensionals. Now I'm going to make a bow, and I'm just going to attach it there with the glue dot. And I'm going to glue the inside and the little pretty Designer Series paper. Okay, so there's a very simple card with beautiful Designer Series paper, but look how beautiful it turned out. I just love it. And then inside, we have Merry Christmas. So again, this card and these other two cards are the featured cards for this week's Stamp and Craft Kits. There's more information on my blog if you are interested. I will be back tomorrow with another project, so don't be shy. Stamp and shout.